Justus Maiche. I am the Secretary General of the LSK Southwest Branch, which comprises of Nyamira, Kisii, Migori and Homa Bay counties and part of Kilgoris. Today we had our annual general meeting here at Dan's Hotel Kisii to discuss about our issues and to set in new agendas, especially when we are coming in as a new office. We had a very good meeting and we are looking at a good year whereby we are gearing towards working for the members, looking at the member welfare, the practice areas in this region, and to see how we are going to collaborate with different stakeholders to ensure that justice is done to our people around here. Yes. Now to the financial bill. I think we've hardly finished the tassels of this financial year act now, which was a bill now act, and now there's a new bill in place for the next financial year, and I'm seeing it is also going to elicit mixed reactions. And I think as a government they are developing an appetite of collecting much from the people, but where the issue is really is about the accountability. They are collecting much, but little is done about this money which is being collected. And I think it is high time the President ensures that this money is collecting, it is first utilized as it is supposed to be. We cannot collect a lot of money and then we end up wasting it in things which are not even making sense to the common mwananchi. I've seen even the Deputy President asking a huge budget to renovate his offices, to buy new cars, to even pay for Wi-Fi, a lot of things, to even fight for the illicit brew, to even buy trophies. Which trophies are we going to buy in the first place? To award who? So first we need to see how we are going to spend the expenditure need to be looked at, and so that we avoid this wastage. If we must first use the little we have prudently, so that when we say that this money is not enough it's not enough for our use, then we go ahead and add more money. We cannot go adding money and then it is going to wastage. So I think that is where the issue is. We should look at the spend, where the money is spent, and we should not be having appetite of collecting money, but where it is being spent, that is where we don't understand. Yes.